The 2022 NBA playoffs felt like a turning point for Luka, not because he won a championship, but because the world finally saw what Mavericks fans already knew. Luka was ready to carry a team. Game after game, round after round, he put on a show that didn't just get attention, it earned respect. Against the Utah Jazz, he returned from injury like a storm. No warm-up period, no rust. Just pure impact. His footwork, his timing, his control, all back like he never left. And then came the Phoenix Suns, the team with the best record in the league, full of stars, depth, and momentum. They were supposed to roll past Dallas. But Luka had other plans. Game 7 in Phoenix. The crowd was loud, confident, almost mocking. The Suns had humiliated the Mavericks in Game 5. But Luka, he smiled. And in that Game 7, Luka didn't just beat Phoenix. He embarrassed them. He had as many points by halftime as the entire Suns team. He laughed at defenders. He toyed with rotations. He turned the loudest arena in the NBA into a library. It wasn't just dominance. It was leadership through performance. No trash talk needed. No antics. Just buckets. Luka showed the world that he could dismantle even the best with patience and precision. He wasn't rushing anything. He was in control always. And control is the theme with Luka. While others push the pace, Luka understands the value of slowing down, of using pauses, pivots, hesitation, tools most players don't even think about. While young stars race for highlight reels, Luka is chasing moments that matter. Game winners, series clinchers, plays that leave a lasting mark. But leadership isn't just about scoring. Luka passes when others force shots. He trusts his teammates. He creates open looks that only someone with his vision can see. Look at how he reads double teams. He doesn't panic. He welcomes them. Every trap becomes an opportunity. Every extra defender means one man is open, and Luka will find him. And when things go wrong, when the game tightens, when calls don't go his way, when the team struggles, Luka's not afraid to take responsibility. You'll see him talk to his guys, bring them together, reset. That's the kind of leadership that doesn't show up in box scores, but wins games over time. Coaches have praised him. Opponents have feared him. Analysts have run out of ways to describe him. But maybe the best compliment? Other superstars, real, elite players, respect him. Guys like LeBron, Steph, KD, they see Luka not as the future, but as the now. He's already redefining what it means to control a basketball game. Not just with points, but with pacing, with vision, with presence. Some players demand the spotlight. Luka doesn't need to. It finds him naturally. He's not chasing viral moments. He's too busy making them look easy. And yes, he makes it look easy. That step-back three, that's a shot few can make consistently. But Luka does it like it's a warm-up. The way he uses his body to shield defenders, the way he times his floaters, the way he manipulates space. It's not just skill. It's art. It's mastery. There are moments when it feels like Luka's playing a different game. The floor is a chessboard. The players are pieces. And Luka's moving them exactly where he wants them. It's not flashy. It's not about speed. It's about command. He doesn't just react, he decides. Off the court, he carries that same calmness. In interviews, he's humble. In the locker room, he jokes with teammates. He's young, still just in his mid-20s. But his maturity is decades ahead. He's not shaken by media pressure or online noise. He's focused on one thing, winning. And winning doesn't always mean stats. Some nights, Luka will only score 20, but still be the most important player on the court. Why? Because he dictates everything. When he's in the game, you feel his presence. Every possession flows through him. Every defensive scheme is built around stopping him, and most of them fail. Fans see it. Teammates feel it. Coaches build around it. Luka is the kind of player who doesn't just play. He changes the way everyone else plays. He makes good players better. He gives his team a chance every single night. That's leadership. Not yelling. Not showboating. Just quiet control, steady excellence, and the ability to deliver when it matters most. And don't let his relaxed smile fool you. Luka is a killer on the court. He plays with joy, but he plays to destroy. He'll laugh after making a ridiculous shot, but he'll hit you with 40 before you realize what's happening. He has that rare combination of charm and ruthlessness. You want to root for him, unless you're playing against him. It's easy to forget how young he still is. Most players don't figure this stuff out until their 30s, if ever. Luka figured it out by 21. He's already racked up accomplishments most legends never reach. But ask him what matters, and you'll get the same answer every time. Championships. That's where his mind is. That's where his focus lives. All the highlights, all the praise, it's noise. Luka wants rings. And if the Mavericks can give him the right tools, he will get them. Because Luka Doncic isn't slowing down. He's just getting started. As the NBA changes, faster, flashier, more chaotic, Luka stands as the calm in the storm. The guy who doesn't rush, who doesn't panic, who doesn't let the moment get too big. He welcomes pressure. He controls the game. And he does it all while making it look fun. He's a once-in-a-generation player, not because of his stats, but because of his mind. Because of the way he leads, not with noise, but with control. So when you see him out there, walking up the court, pointing to teammates, smiling as the crowd roars, remember, you're not just watching a great player. You're watching a commander at work. This is Luka Doncic. He doesn't just play the game. He controls it. He's already inspired a wave of young international kids, not just in Slovenia, but in France, Spain, Serbia, Turkey, Africa, who see Luka and realize, you don't have to be the fastest or strongest. You can dominate with timing, with feel, with smarts. You can win by understanding the game better than anyone else on the floor. And if you think this is a trend, think again. Look around the NBA. Giannis, Jokic, Embiid, Wembanyama, and Luka. This isn't a fluke. This is a new era. But Luka's place in that era, it's unique. He's not a 7-foot rim protector.